Hello.
Buongiorno.
How's it going?
Good.
That's nice.
I'm just gonna use the washroom quickly.
Okay. Let's see. How do I get chat again? I don't know why I'm always so bad at this. See here. Oh, there we go. And pop the chat out. Alright. Chat's there. Ready to go. And put this back down here. Cool. Alright. Ready to go.
Did you get your stream running?
Yes.
Yeah.
Stream's running. Who's joining us for the stream today? Anybody?
Well, guess we'll see.
We will see, huh?
Ayya, yes.
Oh, is it summery over there?
It is quite hot. It was 28 degrees today.
Ooh.
28 degrees.
Ooh.
Yeah. But it's in the basement. It's just cold.
Where's Rickles?
I don't know. He's bad. That's where he is. How are you doing today?
Good. Good.
What's Niwako's up to?
She is gonna cook some chicken curry.
Japanese curry?
Nope. Indian curry.
Nice.
And I think she's gonna go to the gym.
The Gaim.
Hey, Rickles.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Let me put you guys in the stream. There
This
you are.
phone is so ugly right now.
What?
The fan is Uggo.
Yeah. As my background.
Like we all have fans in the room.
Yeah.
If you know what I'm saying.
I know what you're saying.
Can you see my fan?
No.
Really? No. I think I can show it to you. Let me see. I might have to
Show me your fan.
pivot.
Oh, really great pivot.
Oh yeah.
I like that part of your house, son.
The attic?
Cause the roof is all special shape.
Mm-hmm.
The actic. It is a cool place, indeed.
Trying to make use of an attic.
Yeah.
Maybe I can cover this thing.
What mic are you guys using? Satch, what mic are you? Okay, I know what what mic Rickles is using. Satch, what mic are you using?
My MacBook.
Oh, it's pretty good.
I'm surprised. You liked my MacBook mic better than Dev's monoprice mic, which is there.
Yeah. It's hard to Apple does a pretty good job with their audio stuff. You have to really go like down the rabbit hole of quality mics to beat Apple.
Interesting. And my MacBook's like 10 years old.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. The only problem with MacBook mics is that they the Macs themselves can get loud when the fans come on, and you want the mic as far away from that noise as possible. It's not really easy to do.
Mm.
So
My
anyway.
fan doesn't really come on unless it's running like a video game
Mm-hmm.
or it's being insulated on my bed sometimes.
I see. Mm-hmm. So, is anybody joining us for the stream today, or
Send
is
the
it?
link. Send the link. Yesterday, Dev said that he wanted to join,
Uh-huh.
but he's also working, so
Uh-huh.
he'll probably just observe us.
Oh, he's working
Okay.
late today.
Yeah, I guess so. I don't really know what it entails.
I see.
And I also told him that I would tell you when it's time to do the designing process. Dev will be happy to join.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he wants to join for fun.
He wants to join for fun. Okay.
You betcha. Thank you for this.
That is the link.
Giovanni's calling me rich.
Who's calling you rich?
I have a phone call. One moment, please.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's because Satch and I are looking for place renting.
Congrats. It'll be
Yeah.
will this be the first place that you have rented?
Yeah.
That's a big step.
Yeah. If it doesn't count me starting to pay rent at home, then technically yes, it is the first place we will be renting.
Oh,
Yeah.
you pay rent at home?
Yeah. That's not much. It's like $200 a month. Cover like food, and I also help pay for like internet and stuff here, so that goes into it.
Where are you looking?
We're looking like around like Davisville area, like Mount Pleasant, like up there, ideally. And if we get something nice on the west end too, that's okay too, like Etobicoke, or no, not maybe so far as Etobicoke, but like High Park area, Parkdale. We like those kind of calm spots, Leslieville. Yeah, I like that. We like that a lot.
Are you looking for somewhere that you can easily walk around?
Yeah, I think that's in there. Like I would say like ideally like our spot should be also pretty close to like highways, because mom and dad still live in Littles, and my mom and dad still live here in Scarborough. So visits will still be frequent.
Gotcha.
What's up, Satch? How'd it go?
Good. She was asking about 1925.
1925. 1925.
So
Okay, well, Well, we can't talk about it now. Let's
Yep.
do this thing.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do
Let's
this
do
cool
it.
thing.
1925, huh? Wow, it's a lot of monies.
Yeah, it's a lot of monies.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Unless she's quoting you a year, which wouldn't make any sense.
All included, 1925. Boom. That's like $1,500. Oh, $150 per month. Nice. That's a deal.
Mm-hmm.
That is a
Seal it,
deal.
lock it in.
Mm-hmm. So what are we doing today?
Upon clicking the link here,
I was supposed to say that.
we did not work on animating or more
No,
3GS stuff. We worked on the journal stuff.
Mm-hmm.
we were supposed to be doing that, Rich.
Working on poker.
No, we were supposed to be doing the journal that the week we worked just now. And then 15 minutes is set on seeing our homework, and then we work on poker for this evening.
Okay.
Right, guys?
All right. Show me what you got.
I can show you.
Yeah. Show me what you got.
I can share
Just,
screen.
make this window bigger.
Then do you watch Rick and Morty?
I don't. I watch Lucifer though. Is that similar?
No. Rick and Morty is like Back to the Future meets South Park.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's like raunchy, an animated comedy.
But sci-fi related.
It is very sci-fi.
Cool.
Okay, so let me show you the React app, which is here. And these are the hearts. And you can click it, and it saves. And when you click it again, it's still saved.
Nice. You did it. Good job.
We
Okay. So you should do more. Your original mock-up had many fields in it.
were worried about putting all those things in and then eventually having to change them to look a certain way. Should we not worry about that?
Yeah, I wouldn't worry. Just do. I'm here to help you clean it up. Yeah, don't worry. Just do.
The more the more I learn about coding, I'm wondering if a lot of the times part of the coding is really just cleaning up the code. And then
Ooh, that was loud. What was that? Did that come from you guys?
I didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear it, so it must have been from me or Satch.
I didn't hear it either.
Or from me. Oh, you didn't hear me? You didn't hear?
Didn't hear anything.
Oh, Mitt's here. No, they did their homework, Mitt. For the most part. You need to stop sharing all of us. This looks funny. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. So that homework sounds good. Do more. I mean, I don't actually know what you want to do next. There's a bunch of things we could do next. But like it's already set up. You can add more entries. So the next thing is to figure out what you want to do next there. And let me know this week so that I can prepare.
For next week when we work on journal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey Gina, welcome to our stream. I got my own person joining us this stream.
Whoa!
Not just
That's
family.
fun.
Yeah. All right.
Wait, sorry, I don't know how to stop sharing now.
Make it so like pull the Meet tab away and then share this window that doesn't have the Meet tab.
Ah, it's okay. We're done with this, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna quit this. Stop presenting.
Stop.
All right. Okay. So you didn't have any time to do any Three.js?
No.
Okay.
In fact, I spent most of my time trying to make Ubuntu work again because it black screened on me.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I don't like it when Linux does things like that to us. Well, I did. So, are you able to get into your project now?
Yeah, I can. I just went down to a lower version of Ubuntu.
I see.
Yeah, but I think everything is still working.
Okay. Um, so maybe what we should do is get you. So I didn't get access to your Git repositories. So let's do that. I
Okay.
guess you didn't have a chance to publish them.
No,
All right.
don't
Okay.
GitHub.
So you should present, and then I will guide you through it.
Okay, I'm presenting.
By the way, what's your GitHub username? Is it RichardNG1?
Sign in. Richard1NGO. Yeah.
Richard1NGO.
I think it might be Darkmon actually.
Darkmon. DARCMON?
Yeah.
Yeah, there you are. Okay, so you have no repos yet. Need to get you some repos.
Repo. So new repo.
Share screen. Need to see.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't need to see, but I would really like to see. Also, I want our audience to be able to see.
Indeed. Okay, let me share.
It's so nice having people watch us. Gina's here, Mitt's here. So exciting.
Hi, Gina. Hi, Mitt.
Everyone see my first window?
Yeah. All right. So here was the plan. Summary for everybody, I guess. The idea is we have one backend, and that's going to be its own repository, and then we have a front end, and that's also going to be its own repository. When we do the development work, you can actually start up both servers at the same time. You can have the backend server running, you can have the front end server running, and you can do front end development in the front end. And then there's this trick that you can do that will proxy commands from the front end through to the back end. So we can basically set it up so that we're able to develop on both at the same time. But it's useful to keep them in separate repositories, mainly because it's. I think it's just actually easier. So let's call it. I was thinking we can call it poker-be and poker-fe for the two parts of the project. Yeah. So we can just leave everything out for now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And just click on the create. Okay. And press the little clipboard button on the one above. That one, yeah. Okay. So now let's open up a terminal and go to the Python project that we made for this poker stuff.
Oh, okay. This terminal over here?
Any terminal you like. This one here, that one's for... Yeah, that one's for...
This really your terminal.
Yeah, so we need a different... Yeah, there's poker-be. Neat. It's already there. Cool. All right, let's go into the terminal. And we'll just do git space remote space add space origin and then paste.
Shift.
All right, do that. Oh, we need to init. Type git init. Just init.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, and now run the other command again. You can just do up twice. It will take you there.
Oh, okay.
And now type git status. Yeah, push enter. Okay, so let's make the terminal bigger. We need to see more things. Cool. So that's showing you the files that we have and a bunch of other stuff. So we need to ignore a few things because we don't want to commit them to the repository, right? So specifically, we don't need to commit the .venv, and we don't want to. It's huge. It basically contains every Python package that gets installed. So we don't want that in our Git repository. Also, we probably don't want the PyCache, so we should ignore that as well. So right-click in the Explorer, and go New File. And then we're going to create a file that tells Git what to ignore, and it's called .gitignore.
Is ignore or just all one word?
All one word, just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now, so cool little thing. You can get feedback as we do this. You can make sure you're doing the right thing. If it's green, if the color of the thing is green on the left, it means that it's a change that's going to go into Git. And we currently want to make it so that venv and PyCache don't go, so the idea here is make it not green. So
Okay.
you can type slash dot venv and then save. So that should, now it grays that out.
Yeah.
So that's no longer included. Yeah, and then now do slash, no dot this time, just.
Oh, okay. Like these PyCache?
Yeah. Yeah, save that. All right, that's looking good. All right, so this file allows you to have some comments in it. So it's useful to put some comments to say what we're doing. So add an extra line before line 1. And then just put a number sign. And then we're going to say ignore Python files. Or Python artifacts is maybe a better word.
Ooh.
And add a space between the comment and the ignore. Sorry, I meant...
Oh. Like that?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just particular, I guess. Okay. All right, save that. We're ready to commit this repository. So let's go down there, type git status again. And git status is actually, will give you, like the colors that you see on the left there is basically the same thing that git status does. You didn't actually have to type it because you can see the colors, but I can't help it. It's just something I do every time. It's second nature at this point. So now we're going to commit. So git add and then dot and then enter. And what this does is it puts these files that we've changed into what's called the staging area for Git. So you can just run that. And now if you type git status, you'll see it looks different now.
Yeah, files.
So what it's telling you is that these files are ready to be committed. The add dot means add everything that can be committed or can be staged into the staging area. If you wanted to, you could only add parts of what you want. Let's say you only want to commit 2 of the files. It is possible to just commit 2 files, right? Yeah, all right. Next is the commit. So back in the terminal there, type git commit and then -m, and then a quote.
Right after or a space?
You can have a space. And then here is where we're just going to type the commit message. So if you recall, last 2 weeks ago when we worked on this, we basically set it up so that the API, so we basically created a new API for the poker game, and the API returns the status of the game, right? So let's just call it initial game status API.
All one word?
Well, it's a message for us in the future.
Okay.
So we can write whatever we want there. You want it to be kind of short because when it's displayed in the browser, there's a sort of a maximum length that will be visible. But you also don't want it to be too short or not descriptive enough because then you may not understand what it means like 2 months from now.
Right.
Since this is our very, very first commit, there really isn't actually that much to say. So this is good. This is fine.
Okay. Enter.
Yeah. And now we can push it up to GitHub. So we can do git push. I think you have to put a -u there because you've never done this before.
Push -u like that.
Mm-hmm.
Signing in to GitHub.
Oh, that's really odd. Interesting. Okay.
Oh, continue.
Are you getting other windows or something?
Yeah, I have another window here.
Okay.
Show.
Okay. Yeah, do all the things, I guess. I'm surprised all this stuff is happening. Normally it just asks you for a username and password in the terminal, but okay.
Maybe because it's a new project or something.
I don't know. But, I mean, it just worked, so we're good. All right, cool.
Nice.
So everything is committed. Now we can do the front end as well. Oh, but you haven't really managed to get anywhere yet with the front end, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we need to do that. What are you able to run the front end that you did manage? Maybe we could see what we have.
Sure. So I think this ended up giving me like a black screen.
Okay, let's start it up and see a black screen.
So like this, no, it's just npm start. This.
All right. You can command, or I guess on Linux, control click that. Should open up in a browser. Maybe.
Like that. I got my nice white screen here.
Okay. All right, so that's what's working then, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see if we can get something else working today. You want to share with me? We can.
Yes.
So I'll also sign into my VS Code. Let's close all these things. All right, looks like I'm already logged in, so I'm ready to go.
Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll drop it in here in this chat because I don't see you guys here.
Oh, how come? That's sad. You should see me there. All right. Click on things. Okay, open.
Slash, does it work for you?
Mm, I don't know.
So what I did is I tried to work backwards. Like I opened it up, and instead of using um, the entire program that was used an example in the video,
Yeah.
I started removing pieces just to kind of see how I would be able to just get this cube to show up.
Okay.
So I was removing pieces of the HTML and the CSS because I was wondering maybe that's why it was just showing black.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, I couldn't really figure out what was it that was causing it to do it. And then eventually I got to like a white screen because I removed the black component.
I see. Removed too many things.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. All right. So my first Three.js app is blank. Let's make this window go like that. Okay. So let's see if we can. So when you said remove, I guess most of the time you were just commenting stuff out then?
No, I was just legit like, oh yeah, this part here. This is the part that I added, and I wasn't sure how to do like the commenting whole sections out.
I see.
So
Okay.
I literally just removed it.
Got it. All right. I'm gonna move you guys down here, and I will present for a bit. We should be able to see each other's cursors and stuff.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get things working again. Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right,
Things
let's do
to
this.
work.
So I think the first thing we should try to do is, so if you were able to get some things working, let's get back to that state. So you said you removed some stuff from here, yeah?
Mm-hmm. I removed things from a bit of everywhere.
Okay.
Because I was trying to get to like the most bare bones of every piece of code, so
Got
that
it.
if I were to present anything, it would show up.
I got it. Okay. I tell you what. Let's do this. Let's put everything back to the original. I don't want to accidentally delete things that you have done though. But let's get everything back to the original and see if we can start making the tweaks that you were originally talking about. And I'll help you also simplify it. All right, so I'm going to just click on some of these buttons to restore the code. What's this button do? I thought it reverts the change. Okay. Yeah.
Whoa, things are happening.
Oh, I should show you how I'm doing this because I forgot to present. Sorry. Entire screen. Share. Share my entire screen. Yeah, so VS Code is pretty nice because it gives you some amount of control over like it gives you access to all the Git stuff, you know? So what I'm doing is I'm clicking these things over here and it's showing me what you did to the original code. So for example, this is telling me that you deleted this area called header, right?
Yeah.
And then I can click this button up here, and what it does is it puts it back. And I can.
So what did you press?
This one here, this little sort of arrow that's like a U-turn.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to.
My screen might be way too tiny. I'm sorry.
Your screen is tiny.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah. So if I click that, it just reverts the change and puts it back to the way it was. Ah, I see the mistake you made here. So this canvas shouldn't be deleted. That's where all the actual rendering will happen. It's going to happen into that canvas. Let's put all the code back, and what I'll do is I'll walk you through what the code is doing.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's keep reverting changes. All right. So that, and there's one more change here. Is that one more change
There are also changes that happen.
in the script?
Yeah, in CSS, like lots of changes.
All right. In the CSS, you say?
Yeah.
In this CSS? Okay. I think it's all back now. All right, save that. Save that. Okay. And some stuff changed in the... Let's put these things back too.
Oh, I can follow you. Look, I'm following you.
You're following me?
Yeah. I'm following the participant. So you're in main.
Yeah, I'm currently in main. I'm just clicking all the put things back buttons. All right, put that back too. All right, put that back. Put this back. Yep, almost there.
You can see how my brain was working with all this. I would take things out, put things back in, and then take things out.
I know.
Like, oh wait, maybe I need this.
This is the right idea, but yeah, this was the right idea. You had the right idea. All right. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mitt. All right. So something's broken. What's it saying there that's broken?
Mom.
Unable to parse.
Unable to parse. Index HTML line 97. Okay, let's go there. Line 97.
Body. Do you just have to add a... Wait.
Hold on. Let's see. Can you give me a terminal that I can use?
And then... How do I give you access?
Request read write access. All right, thank you. All right, so let's just take a look at what else is here. Git checkout. So checkout lets us restore a file. So I'm just gonna restore the file like this. I think I may have oh, okay. Yeah, I think that would have fixed it. All right, let's go back to your terminal. All right. So there is the... Okay, there we go. I think it's working.
Works.
It's back to working.
Yeah, back to working as per default.
Nice. Look at this animation. And as you scroll down, things move around.
Back.
Ooh, look at that moon go. And the Taurus. The Taurus. I love it. This is beautiful. All right.
Yeah, it's a nice website.
So here's what we're going to do. We're going to remove all the nonsense that we don't need, like you said you were going to do. But I'm going to guide you this time. How's that sound?
Yes.
So here's what I think. Let's keep that guy with the face and get rid of everything else.
Yeah.
Because we can take the guy with the face and make the cards.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's start. Let's do it
that.
one step at a time. I'm going to let you drive, yeah?
Okay.
All right. So let me close this. All right. I'm going to close all these things. All right, cool. Let's go. So let's start with let's start with the index.html. We basically don't need the majority of the text on this page, right?
Right.
But we do definitely need that canvas. You get rid of the canvas and everything stops working. So if I comment this canvas out, we can. I'm going to save it. We can just see how it's gonna.
Did it save?
This is amazing. It's still working. That means I'm wrong.
Maybe it's in this. There's another canvas in CSS.
This is interesting. I didn't expect that. Okay.
There's 2 more canvi
There
in
really
style
is.
CSS. Yeah.
So okay, let's talk a little bit about what the 3 different files are doing. So index.html is the first file that the browser loads, and it typically contains the content of the page. The CSS takes the content and gives it a style. So if we're looking at style.css, if you see canvas there, that canvas is really all it's doing is telling the HTML, telling the browser what to do with the HTML. Okay? So think of it as like if you're writing a Word doc, you type some content, you say you're typing your book report. So that goes into the HTML. Then you select some text and you make it bold, and you make some other text italics. That stuff goes into the CSS.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. So what this canvas is saying here is it's basically saying that the canvas element should be fixed to the top left, which is what I expect. That basically makes it so that it fills the screen.
Right.
So that's what that piece is doing. Now, I don't know why this page is still working. It really shouldn't. But it continues to work. So that's some magic. Huh. Oh, wait. I thought I saved it. Wait, save. Maybe I didn't. Okay, good. Yeah, it's supposed to break.
Yes, the background is gone, but the HTML is still there.
But the HTML is still there. Exactly. All right. So let's put the canvas back. Save. Okay. Let's start deleting HTML we don't need. So let's start by getting rid of the header.
So that's this right here.
Ooh, not that. We definitely need that. Well, maybe we don't definitely need that, but let's keep that.
This header, you mean?
Yeah, that header. And yeah, I can drop. And then each time, save. And then we'll see the right-hand side change. Okay, beautiful. Drop the block quote. Save again. Cool. Get rid of that guy's manifesto. Save. Hey audience, what do you guys think so far of our project? Okay, undo. I'll show you what you did wrong. So
I didn't take up the whole thing, the whole section.
Yeah, okay.
This one.
Yeah.
That.
Mom says hi, Mitt, after I say how is the audience doing. All right. Okay, so save again there so that we can make things come back. Oh, maybe I have to refresh the page. Yeah, okay. All right. Drop the work history.
And this is a message for our audience.
Thank you for watching.
Gone. We don't need that. Save. All right. And last but not least, delete main. Yep.
Sorry, main.
All right. Now we're at the bare minimum. Okay.
Ooh, I like how there's no more scroll bars.
Yeah. Well, that also breaks all the functionality that Jeff made. Oh, while we're here, let's change this the title of this page from Jeff's website to let's call it Poker FE. All right. Save.
Ah,
Okay. So we're done with this. Let's minimalize style.css now.
okay.
So click on style.css. Oh, of course, I have to click on style.css.
Oh, you can. I think you might be able to follow me too if you click the pin.
Oh, how do I do? Oh,
So click that,
follow participant.
and then look, I'll take you everywhere. I'll show you the world.
You can show me the world. Shining, shimmering HTML. Okay.
Well done.
Nice.
We're such nerds. All
Say
right,
it's that.
so
Maybe 2/3 of us are.
Such learner.
I learned a nerd.
All
Okay.
right.
So let's see. I don't know what that first line. That first line is grabbing some CSS from somewhere. We can probably get rid of it. Line 1, the import statement.
Oh, let's see what happens. I want to see.
Yeah, let's delete it and see. I have a feeling that that was what was giving all the fonts their crazy like
Oh,
Star Trek look. So I
yeah.
think we don't need that. We need the canvas, but remove it to see what happens. It will still work. It just will no longer be full screen. Do I have to reload the page?
What happens? So, is it offset?
Oh, there's another canvas down there. There's two. Wait, was there two canvases? Two canvi.
Yeah, there were. There were Canva.
Oh, okay.
Should delete
I
both of them.
see.
See what happens.
No. It's definitely a mistake that there's two of them. Let's continue. Let's delete the second canvas too. I want you to see what happens when you don't have the CSS for it. All right.
But like it created like a border around it.
Yeah, but that's actually not accurate what it did. I mean, what you observed is correct, but what really happened was that originally the canvas element was making it fill the whole viewport. That plus a combination of something in the HTML was doing that. So without the canvas element, it doesn't align it properly to the top left. So there's another piece to that was making it go full screen as well. For us, we're happy, like that's what we want. We want the canvas to take the full size of the window. And later on, we'll also have to make it so that if you resize the window, the canvas resizes as well. That's a thing we'll have to do down the road. For now, it's fine. Anyway, put the canvas element back.
First and second one?
Only one of them. You only need one. I need to just sort of tidy up these windows a little. All right. Now, let's see what else we can delete. Font family. Okay. I think we can get rid of root. Let's delete that and make sure that things continue to work. That's the top.
Okay.
I'm starting from the top. Yeah. Ooh, by the way, while we're doing this, we should install Prettier and have Prettier format the code for us.
Oh, I have it. I have it here, but I don't know how to use it.
So just do Control Shift P, and then type in format. And
Save
then,
without formatting.
and I'm not able to see your screen, so
Oh.
I can't tell. But there's like an option to format the document. Click that.
Format document. Control Shift I.
That does not look like Prettier did that. But it's fine. It's fine. Let's keep going. You can, so remember, like all those elements that we deleted from the HTML file, we also no longer need them in the CSS. So the main, you can get rid of main because we deleted main from the CSS.
Okay. This one.
It's totally okay for us to delete the H1, H2, H3 block quote because we're not using those things anymore.
Okay.
We can get rid of the header. We can get rid of yeah. I'm pretty sure at this point we can get rid of everything else.
Oh, and this just aligns everything to the left.
There used to be an HTML element that had a class that pointed to left, and we got rid of that too. So you can get rid of it. It's not used. All right, save. All right, done.
Now this is minimalism.
Yep, JavaScript time. This is where like actual all the work is being done. This is where stuff's actually happening. So let's start by going through it from the top. All right. So imports. So line 3 has something interesting in it that I'm not familiar with. It's orbit controls. I don't know what that is. But let's go from the top, and I'll read to you what I do understand. So the first one here, the first line there is importing the styles. I'm not actually sure why that's needed, but okay. Then the second one there basically loads the Three.js library and brings in all the symbols. That's what the import star means. So that's why you can do things like new 3.scene and new 3.perspective camera and new 3.webgl renderer. So all of those, like 3, that word 3 is the imported name of the module, and now you can refer to all of the functions inside of it. So
from 3, right?
Yes, from the 3. So here are things we need. We need the scene. The scene is what sort of sets up the area. Then there's the camera. The camera, so like the area, so once you have a scene, you need a camera in the scene to see things inside of it. And I think, if I understand this correctly, what the renderer does is it takes, it basically, what that's doing there is it's passing the canvas that we have from the HTML file to the renderer so that it knows where to paint the contents of the rendered 3D world, right? Okay. Then more things that are arguments to the renderer. So you got a thing there to essentially, so that's where it is. Okay, so line 16 is what sets the canvas to fill the width and height of the window. So later on, when we make it so that you can resize your window, what we'll need to do is call that function again. Anyway.
Right, and then it would have to be live, like a live feedback.
Yeah, you basically need like an event handler when like there are event handlers that you can add in JavaScript that if the window's size changes, you can run certain functions to like repaint or do whatever. We'll get there. Don't worry. Then there is line 20, which I think is an important bit. So, sorry, line 17 and 18, that's setting up where the position of the camera is going to be. So far, everything is necessary. You can't take out any of this, from what I can tell. Line 20 is the first line that tells 3 to go and do the painting, like draw everything into the window. And now we actually have things in the scene. So we don't need the torus. You can get rid of that. So you can
And
delete.
how do I make all this like comment or make it like slash like this?
Oh, just select it all, and then control slash. Yeah.
Ah, perfect.
Mm.
And then to take it out, you do the same thing.
You mean to
Oops.
delete it? Or you mean put
Yeah.
it back? Yeah, just like that. It's a toggle. Yeah.
Why do you need those
Save.
2 lines?
Oh, look, it's gone. The torus was crucial to this problem.
Huh, how about that, huh? That
That's the thing that stumped me.
it's
I was like, oh,
stumping. Oh, I see why. No. That's because there's more going on there than just the torus. Hold on. That material, I think, let me check something. I believe that material might be used in more than one place. Yeah. Okay. So what you'll observe, line 25, the material is used not just for the torus, it's also used... No, I'm wrong. One sec.
yeah, here, with const material opens in a function. Does that reset the constant?
That's a different material. One sec. You're scrolling around too.
Sorry, yeah.
Wait, I have no idea why that's breaking. That's interesting, huh?
Maybe we could try. Okay, so
Ooh! I know why. I think I know why. Yeah, I know why. Okay, because there's a few things happening here. But we can make it so that everything works. So let's do it again. Comment out the torus.
just torus.
Do the exact same thing. Comment out all the stuff, all those things. Don't save yet though. So those things are used in another place. Go scroll down to the bottom of the file, all the way to the bottom, and then there's there's an animation loop that is causing the torus to rotate. Hey Dev, welcome to the stream. No, keep the animation function. We only need to get rid of the torus. We're being selective. Comment that out. Okay, let's try again. Let's save again.
Yay!
All right. So the reason why everything just went black was actually because there was an error in the code, and we would have noticed it if we had the dev console open. We would have seen the error. To prove it to you, I'm going to open my dev console and show our stream members the story, so you can watch me do it. Our audience, that is. So I put the torus back in, the torus code. So this torus, this reference to a torus no longer exists because you commented it out at the top. If I save this code, it
Breaks.
It goes back to breaking, and you look at this pile of errors. Uncaught reference error, torus is not defined. So if we
in output, sorry.
Yeah, are you able to see it in my screen? This is in the
I see it
dev
in your
console.
Okay.
So I think it's Control-Shift-I for you on your Linux box. In your Ubuntu.
Okay, I see. Uncaught reference error. Animate.
And it's counting like crazy there. And by the way, the reason why this is counting like crazy is because this is running in a render loop. So the animate is running every few seconds, essentially. Sorry, it's running it's trying to run 60 times per second to be, 60 frames per second, essentially. So let's comment the torus back out. I'll let you do it. And then save it.
Some memory.
And things will fix itself. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so from here, new homework. We're approaching our 5-minute limit, so you guys are going to get dropped off. So it's time for homework. commit. I need access to the code we did today, so we should move this into our own GitHub repo, and then share it with me. And then I want to work on this for you guys a little bit, like set things up so that I can give you more self-contained homework. So the only homework you need to do is put it all together in front-end repository for me. So so the way to do it, there's only a few files I need. But those files would be the CSS. So here's what I basically make a new directory called poker-fe and connect it to the GitHub, like make a repository poker-fe, and then copy all the files we need over.
Okay.
Into it.
So similar to what we did for backend.
Yeah. And I can help you as well later during the whenever. Get you up to speed. We can finish it next week in the 15 minutes.
Okay, and then it'll be journal time.
Was this fun? Did we have fun making the code do what we want?
Yeah, it was cool seeing the breakdown of it.
Okay. So another thing that you could do if you have the time, you could remove the moon.
The moon.
We don't need the moon. Let's get rid of the moon. It's not even visible in the camera, so let's get rid of the moon. So those are the two things to do. Is that doable?
It's doable.
All right, cool. All right. Well, that was a good stream.
Yeah.
Thanks, audience, for being here with us.
Thanks everybody. Audience. Thanks, fans.
Thanks, fans.
Thanks, super fans.
Oh, nice moon emojis.
Yeah, that's cute. That's how you get rid of the moon. Oh, sorry, stream. That's the emoji. There it is. See, the moon's disappearing.
They're waning down.
Right. That's the word. All right. See you guys next week.
See you next week.
Thanks, Don. Thanks, Satch.
Thanks, Don and Rich.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.